Hello everyone, I want to welcome you here at Car Connection in Little Ferry, New Jersey, and today we're featuring this extraordinary 2001 Ferrari 360 Spider, one owner, clean Carfax, no accidents, all the service records this car's had from day one. This is a one owner. It's got 17,630 miles. I have a receipt of the clutch done at 17,300 miles. So there's 300 miles on a new clutch, F1 system, 6-speed semi-automatic. Very nice car. Let's go through it. You can see here that it does have matching Pirellis specifically for this car. So it's the Pirellis, can't even see the name, Di Rinaldo, which are specifically Pirellis made for this Ferrari. It is matching Pirellis all around. Look at the side of the car. Super clear, super straight. No wavy paint. Very nice. Clear front headlight. We go all the way across to the bumper. No damage. Very nice. Driver's side headlight. Hood is in very good condition. We look at this side. Again, super clear, super straight. No dings, no paint chipping. Very nice car. Here's your driver's side tire. It is a Pirelli. It is a matching. There's the model Pirelli right there. Very nice car. All the way across to the back. Quarter panel. Here's your driver's side rear tire and rim. Nice condition. All the way across the back. Very nice. Rear bumper. Back trunk lid. Engine lid. Clear. I'll pop it later and show you. And your passenger side rear tire and rim. Very nice. Here is the last service record on the car, which was August 2nd. That was done to the car. $9,000 bill. All the service records are right here on this from day one. So every service record is there. Let's pop the back engine lid. You can see here the engine is clean. There's no smoke. There's no engine leaks. Sometimes these fuel pumps tend to leak, and you may get a little bit of oil leak, but it's perfect. Very nice car. Pop the front. Let's start her up first. So you pop the front compartment. There are no check engine lights on. The whole kit is here, everything that came with this car. So you got a little toolbox. You got here is the trickle charge spare tire. You got some Ferrari stuff here. Very nice car. Start her up and then put the top up. Let's start her up. The engine bay. Engine sounds great. Rev her up a little bit. Through the top. See, the top works fine. Everything functions the way it should. Everything locks in place. Windows go up. Up, up. Complete cycle. Emergency brake up. Car goes into first. Car moves. Let's go into neutral. Sorry, I need both hands. We're in neutral. Reverse. Beautiful. Back to neutral. Does have a couple sets of keys and key fobs. Once again, we got a 2001 Ferrari 360 Spider F1 6-speed semi-automatic. Give us a call, 201-440-1323. If you want to view more pics of this vehicle, you can view them right there at carconnectiononline.com. If you have any questions regarding this call, call us at 201-440-1323. If you want to view specific pics of this car, when you get to our website, click the pic of the vehicle of your choice. If it's not this one, you'll have a photo tab for photos, video tab for video, and then you'll have also a auto check, which is free VIN check, and you'll also have apply for loan online. If you have any questions regarding a finance option, call us at 201-440-1323. And once again, we offer warranties on all our vehicles, including our motorcycles. Everyone stay safe, and thanks for viewing this video.